Today we're making a random slime. So I'm gonna be separating into 5 categories. Each one has about 4 in it. So I'm gonna be drawing one from a hat, or one from every group from a hat, and that's gonna determine how my slime's gonna be. So the first category is the base of the slime, which is the type of glue. So there is white glue, clear glue, glitter glue, and mystery glue. The second category is activator. The first one is detergent, then contact solution, then borax, then Stay Flow. The third category is the colors that are going into the slime. There's green, pink, yellow, and light blue. It can also be any combination. So the fourth and fifth category is a bunch of extras and add-ins, but I'm not gonna say them all because there's a lot, but there's like, glitter and lotion, etc. So now that I told you all the stuff, I'm gonna start drawing it out of a hat and then we'll get making the slime. Let's draw the first category. Let's pick a random one. Okay, it is clear glue. Okay, let's pick the activator now. Let's pick a random one. Borax. And next, the color. Okay, let's see. What is this? Light blue. This is category 4, the first of the extras. Baby oil. This is category 5, the second of the extras. Shaving cream. Well, I got all my ingredients together. Let's just start making my slime. Of the slime. It was actually a lot better than I expected because usually when you make clear slime, you do not want to add a lot of white stuff or else that will ruin the clear. But this was a lot nicer than I thought it would be, and I love it. And it's more of a thick slime than a lot of slimes because I was trying to make it and it got super sticky, but it was stiff, so it was kind of weird. But I kept playing with it and it worked. And it's so nice, I just love it. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below saying #RandomSlime.